It's the clash of the titans. What am I talking about? President Trump and Elon Musk are at war. Now we know that they've been clashing for quite some time. I want to take a different spin on this video. You all know about the news. So I want to kind of share why this can be happening, looking at their personality types. Very interesting. Now, if you look at the personality type of Donald Trump and that of Elon Musk, you will see that they are almost destined to clash. Why do I say this? President Trump is classic alpha male, dominant, instinct-driven. And one thing that's very important to him is loyalty. President Trump thrives on image and immediate impact. That's how he is. While Elon Musk is more of a systems thinker. He's very abstract. He is future focused and he is very emotionally restrained at times. And Elon Musk values innovation over popularity. So already you see there potential for a clash. President Trump speaks in absolutes and he reacts emotionally. Very often he'll speak his mind. When there's an emotion, he will just speak it. We all know him like that. Trump runs on legacy and nationalism, where Elon Musk runs on futurism and global transformation. For Elon, it's think Mars, not MAGA. Both of them are power-centric, but Trump demands obedience, while Elon Musk rejects control. He doesn't like that. And that, needless to say, creates a natural tension between the two of them. Now, we all know about the reports that President Trump mentioned that he might think about deporting Elon Musk. And why is he speaking in these terms? Because Elon Musk, for Trump, equals disloyalty. And what brought this about? Elon Musk criticizing President Trump's trade and regulatory moves, the big bill, that's up there. And so there are major personality differences between these two. Bottom line, I would say there are two different visions of power here. One is rooted in the past, while the other one is reaching for the stars. And at the end of the day, the earth might not be big enough for both of them. Let's keep an eye on this story and where it's going to end. Very sensitive, very critical, very important at this time that we are in. I'll see you next time.